Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Group 2 presentation digital transformation. Our candidate Nur Azlin, Nafisa, Siti Nur Fatihah, Muhammad Zulfamid and Pak Izzuddin. Thank you to Dr. Saiful Farid bin Muhammad Yatin as our lecturer. Table of content, introduction, issue and problem before and after revolution, benefit and challenges, suggestion, conclusion and plan. Our title is Revolution of Digital Transformation in Organization. Digital transformation is not about technology, it's about new way of strategic thinking, discover the next stage of the value creation and grow for your business. Three stages of digital transformation. Digitization refer to technical process. Digitalization, the process of moving to become a digital business. Digital transformation, a culture, organization and profession, challenges of organization, pro a smart integration of digital technology, process and competency across state and strategic way. Four key area digital transformation: technology, data, process, organization, capability. Three pillar of digital transformation: people, process, technology is about value, people, optimization and the capability to adopt the true and intelligent use of the technology information. Revolution in digital transformation, all for new, has the potential to rise global income level and improve the quality of life of population around the world. Small for big has improved the capacity of production and hire more employee professional to upgrade system and capacity system. Conventional for systematic, like transportation and communication costs will drop, logistics and global supply chain will become more effective, will open new market and drive economic growth. High cost for saving, as automation substituted for labor, the need displacement key worker and machine.
A business may take on digital transformation for several reasons, but by far the most likely reason is that they must is a survival issue. In the wake of pandemic, an organization's ability to adapt quickly to supply chain disruptions, time to market pressures, and rapidly changing customer expectation has become critical. Here, I will present on the issues or problems faced in digital transformation in an organization. First of all is management. Resources and services in information agencies require the full support of their respective management in order to provide world-class information and knowledge creators. To improve the main function of information agencies, rational division of labor must be applied, and cooperation and coordination are required to achieve co-building, sharing, and co-prosperity of interlibrary knowledge information resources. Secondly, funding, where new technologies in information agency necessitate a significant amount of time and money from several stakeholders. In general, information agencies are thought to be more sensitive to changes in financial conditions. External financing is typically more expensive for them because lenders have less information about their creditworthiness. Next is technology. The successful implementation of information agencies in the 21st century necessitates the use of advanced technologies. In an organization, tools which are IT-based play a vital role in information and knowledge discovery, organizing, and sharing. Expertise is also the issues faced in digital transformation in organization. In the 21st century, human considerations are also prioritized in the design, development, organization, management, maintenance, and operation of information agencies. Knowledge, skills, competencies, and capabilities of information professionals and other human resources dealing with digital resources, technologies, system designs, and service promotion are referred to as experience and expertise.
Digital transformation, three aspects involved. There are people, tools, and process. Let's see the benefit and challenge in organization based on the studies. Implementation of digital transformation will encourage organization to use new technology such as transform service delivery with new demands on market and customer needs. Second, transform company culture and relationship with customer in terms of change the existing process and service delivery with quality and integrity. From the diagram, we see organization more resilience and greater agility to new environment. Third, benefit is great value creation which need continuous improvement. From analog to digital, paradigm shift through digital touch. As you can see, C9030. Starting from analog to digital, the transition process of technology is growth. Organizations face a multitude challenge during transformation to remain committed to modern organization. Four common challenges were identified. First, lack of clear vision. The organization need clear end goals strategically. Second, corporate culture a major obstacle. The organization need to change employee mindset and create sharing information culture. Third challenge, no dedicated team for new project. Organization must form a dedicated team for new tasks to ensure successful implementation. Lack of commitment from top management, another challenge. The leader must brave to make a decision when come to tight budget. The investment in data security and data protection is very crucial for customer trust.
Nothing is more important than our organization digital transformation. This is a phrase we hear every day at executive meetings. The reasons are obvious. Digital technologies are enabling entirely new methods to give value to customers, transforming competitive landscape and altering market economics. Transformation of the organization, long-term digital transformation necessitates changing organizational mindsets, procedures, talent, and capabilities for the digital age. Digital necessitates rapid workflows and predisposition toward testing and learning, decision making, and a higher reliance on business ecosystems. They also take proactive measures to bring about change in their organizations. Becoming a digital player, the organization of the future lives and breathes the digital philosophy at every point. We are in the midst of a digital transformation with 40% of the world population now connected to networks, up from 4% in 1995. The transformation is at an early stage with a range of new technologies still to come. The digital transformation can spur innovation and productivity growth across many activities, transform public services, and improve well-being as information, knowledge, and data become more widely available. It will be instrumental in addressing pressing policy challenges such as the shift to renewable energy. So there are some key technologies of digital transformation. First one is big data and analytics. The vast amount of data produced on a daily basis combined with modern analytics is generating massive business information that is transforming every day from healthcare and manufacturing to transformation and education. It may be used to interrelationship, create dependencies, and anticipated outcomes and behavior. Enterprises, municipalities, and persons are increasingly able to access huge amounts of data that may be combined to influence real-time decision making. And the second one is, we can see over there, edge computing. Edge computing allows data from Internet of Things devices to be analyzed at the edge of the network before being sent to a data center or cloud. We can see the edge computing three types of, and the process are over there with pictures, and this image is actually describe the edge computing very shortly. And the another technologies are mobile, web application, and 5G. 5G has 5 types of technologies they given, and the more of this we have, the more data we will able to collect. These data necessitates a higher level of hyperconnectivity, which necessitates are to switch to 5G networks. Blockchain technology we can see in this picture, and we can see blockchain is gaining in popularity with a focus on transaction network, housekeeping, and security. This technology has a good potential of becoming a major disruptor in financial sector and beyond. Blockchain, unlike most software systems. And another one is artificial intelligence, and we are now in 2021 century. Artificial intelligence is described as a machine's or system's ability to learn and apply knowledge as well as to engage in intelligent behavior. We need intelligent systems to fuel analytics, robots, 3D printing, and even better how we communicate with others as we progress toward. So, Pandey K 2017, November 28, discussed those key technologies, sparring digital technologies, which I already mentioned in these two slides. And the another one in this, there is some of the revolution we can say. Tipurik T 2020 December 2 stated that how world transformed into digital world using fourth industrial revolution is given. And first one is transport revolution. We can see here some what is transport revolution, how it's work, and what was we do in this revolution part. And the second is internet evolution. This is a most renowned and well-known revolution, and we are very much benefited of using this revolution, we must say, and the short description is written over this slide. And the another is industrial revolution, we can see, and in this industrial revolution is it has also accelerated dramatically as a result of the events of 2020, and so it begins again. We can see in this last slide, over the last few years, we have heard everyone talk about digital transformation, and the more we hear about it, the more frightening it sounds. Small and mid-sized firms are the ones who tend to be wary. During this time, many jobs were created and subsequently lost. Overall, one thing is certain: any technological breakthrough implies a cultural transformation. While the ease of doing business will undoubtedly result in the loss of some jobs, now opportunities will lead to the creation of new and more interesting ones.
Suggestion about digital transformation in organization. The organization should evaluate its place in the market and should invest according to the market share and keeping in mind the budget and time constraint that they have. It is important for the organization to develop and hire the right person. The leadership and higher management should be bold enough to take important decisions. The managers should lead by example and encourage their team to come up with the new innovative ideas. Conclusion: digital transformation is most important to survive in this competitive world. Many organizations hesitate to take the plunge and start their journey. Organizations face a multitude of challenges during the transformation process, but we should address these challenges and stay committed to the path of becoming a modern organization that uses digital technologies to improve multiple facets of the organization.